So we began working with the Filipinos at the beginning of the week, and we were doing things at the fire team and squad level. And because we're a helo company, they're very interested to learn about helicopter tactics for the infantry. So we've been talking about helicopter-borne operations and raids and things like that. So this range really serves as a culmination for the week, since we've gone from fire team to squad and now to platoon, and now we're incorporating the helicopters on the range, all live fire. Just like we've been teaching them, they've been teaching us a lot, and we learn a lot from these guys. They're extremely professional. They're very proficient. We got to go out in the jungle with them for a day and learn about jungle survival. We got to eat lizard and snake and do a lot of fun things like that. So we've got a ton of respect for these guys and how much they're able to do. And we really like working with them. And I think Golf Company's been very blessed with this deployment. We've been able to train in Australia, train in Japan, and now we're training in the Philippines. And the Philippines is definitely a unique environment in that it's extremely hot, extremely humid here, and it presents a lot of challenges to the Marines. And Crow Valley in particular is unique, and we like it. The Marines like it. They're tired at the end of each day, and it's a very, very good opportunity for us.